Hi everyone, it's Sarah B. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm opening up a goodie box from ThredUp. ThredUp is an an online thrift store, and I really love the philosophy behind it, which is entirely based on sustainability and recycling, reusing what we already have instead of impacting the environment by creating things that we don't necessarily need. Goodie boxes are amazing. It's $10, which then gets credited to whatever you keep, just like all the other boxes out there. They send you 10 items, and you have 7 days to go through them and decide what you want. Most of what I've gotten from them in the past have been new with tags even, which I think is amazing. They have a bunch of different categories of goodie boxes. I typically get the business wear, I think they call it the 9 to 5 box. So it's workwear, stuff that I most need. They also do seasonal boxes. You can also buy, they have a bunch of different ones that you can subscribe to. The subscriptions are only every other month. I would get this every month if they offered it because I think it's a really great deal and it makes me really excited to get it. There's the inside of my box. In here is just some, is the invoice, and I can see that the most expensive item in here is $23. They also give you the estimated retail prices for all the items that they put in if you were to buy them new. And here is my, my slip to send things back. I can't lift this bundle on because it's too big. Oh man. You do fill out a style profile with sizing. You can just get a sense of what I am seeing. Oh my goodness. You do get to fill out a style profile with sizing and things so they have a better sense as to what they should be sending you. And patterns and prints versus not. I've gotten some really great things from Torrid and Lane Bryant brands. Look at this super cute cardigan. This is pretty great. It is from A&A, A New Approach. That is really cute. 3/4 length sleeves and color, a little stripiness to it. I love that so far. Okay. This one, apologies for the dinging happening in the background. Another A&A shirt. Oh, it's cold shoulder. Cold shoulder's a no-go for me personally. But it's a pretty print. I don't know if it would necessarily be for me, but here's a top from LuLaRoe, which is new with tags. The Perfect Tee. Oh, it's their Disney one. I am not a Disney person, so that holds even less appeal, but that's okay. Look at this pink top. Oh my gosh. All right, I was more excited about this before I held it up. It's from Zenzia collection, new with tags. True quality fast fashion. I don't mind the color and the lace I was really interested in, but that it's all lace and like this bell sleeve, not exactly what I'm going for. Not really. Soft surroundings. This is interesting. Oh, it has buttons front and back. We'll see if it fits. I don't really love the two types of stripes right there, but we'll see. I've had some really good success on Goody Boxes. I'm not seeing a whole lot of stuff I'm totally loving off the gate. What is this? This is from New Directions Woman. I love the color. I don't know about the dress itself. Okay. And then here's the other problem, is because I'm a plus size, a lot of the stuff they had to send me is not necessarily for someone in my age range. But it's what they got, right? So, I don't know. I'll be curious to look on. I haven't seen, of course, I also have not sought out, but I have not seen many unboxings of the ThredUp Goody Boxes. It'd be interesting to see, what other size people are able to get. If that makes sense. Like, this is something I would not wear. I feel like it's a little old for me. Check this one out. Wool houndstooth. I don't know. I guess you could rock this. It doesn't even have a name brand in it. It has been lost to the winds of time. I definitely know some people who could rock this. I just don't think I'm one of them. And holding on to it to think about how I could potentially wear it one day is not a priority right now. So, and then the last piece, and the skirt is fine, it's very thin, and we're headed into winter months. From Jones, New York, Sport Woman. So, there's one item that I felt like really okay about, not even excited about, but okay about. But I think what I'm mostly like confused is that this is like the workwear box, and they sent me a Minnie Mouse shirt. Like, can you see the Minnie Mouses and like the Mickey hands and stuff on there, and the bows? I was super excited for this box. I know how a perfect tee in this size fits me. I have no interest in keeping it. I'm not going to try it on. And I know people are going to scold me about not trying things on, and that I should give them a chance. But I know I'm not comfortable. Like, it's not something I would wear. And the entire point was workwear, and that's not workwear. Not for where I work. This houndstooth skirt, again, just not something that's gonna be something I feel like I can wear or would feel comfortable in. As with this skirt. Not my style. I do want to try on the shirt because I think it has potential. I do want to try on this dress just to see. I don't think the sizing is going to work for me, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try on this skirt because I should try and see. I'm going to pass on the cold shoulder top because I already know I'm just not comfortable in cold shouldered tops. Cold-shouldered tops. I'm just not. So I'm going to put that away. And this bit, I already know I'm not comfortable in shirts that would otherwise require me to wear a strapless bra. That's not my bag. And like, it's being biased and prejudiced against this poor shirt. It's not for me. I'm going to pass on this Karen Scott Sport Woman shift dress as well because it's not workwear for me. This is not something I could wear to work. So I'm going to tack it aside. Which leaves me cardigan that I'm super excited about. And 1, 2, 3 pieces to try. I'm a little bummed. But I only paid $10 for the box. And based on their pricing, I probably only have to buy 1 item in order to not lose that. And I'll go over the prices for everything in a minute. But let me try on really quick and see if any of these work to even show you. And I'll be right back. So the skirt fits. It's fine. It's not something I would wear to work. And the entire point of this box, and most of the boxes I get, is for workwear specifically. I have plenty of clothes to like feel comfy in and hang out with my kids at home or be out in the community. I needed workwear. So I just don't think this is going to work for me for that end goal. So bummer there. While the video is rolling, even though this is a horrible combination, I do want to try on this cardigan, which is actually really lovely. I love this cardigan. It's a little bit, I don't know if you can see it in the back. It has like some fitting happening back here, which makes it really nice. And the sleeves, as people with my similar arms can testify to, getting cardigans that fit like upper arms can suck, can totally suck. I did just notice a slight, can you see it? Imperfection in the fabric, but I can grab my crochet hooks and pull that in and don't have to worry about it. Yay. So this is a win, if nothing else in. I have a new cardigan, and as someone who is always cold, to have something that will also bring a little color into my life, I think we can all agree upon is a good thing. And sadly, the last 2 items I couldn't even show you. It was not good. It was just too small in the bust in both of the items. So the shirt was a no-go, and the dress was a no-go, which also makes me think I need to, but like last time, this is one of the hard things with subscription boxes is they carry different brands, and each brand sizing is different, and some of the boxes stylists do an exceptional job of reaching out and making sure that the sizing for the company matches well. So you would get, like, in a box, you get widely different sizes of items because what is this in one company might be that in a different. Does that make sense? And they probably just don't have the resources to do a similar comparison. When dealing with such a wide variety of companies, when dealing with used clothes, I don't fault them at all. But it does make me think that maybe I should adjust my style profile and bump everything up a little bit. The last box I got 2 amazing dresses, one from Torrid and one from Lane Bryant, that both fit me perfectly. And I'm wearing one to a wedding next month, I'm pretty sure. So it's hard. It's hard, but I'd rather it be too big and be something I could tailor to more my size versus too small and then you're kind of up the creek. Let's talk about prices on everything. I did mention that nothing was more expensive than the $23. So, the one item that I'm keeping is the $23 item. Of course it is. Of course it is. But it originally retails for $60. So to get it for $23, it's not bad. It's like getting it on sale. And I've already spent $10 on the box. And if I don't buy something, I lose that $10. And this is a lovely cardigan, and I will definitely be keeping it. So that's hilarious, though. That's really funny. Let me see if I can pull this through right now. No, Sarah, don't do that. Be smart about it. Okay. Let's see what the other prices were. The flowered short sleeve shirt was priced at $18. The estimated retail was $36. The casual skirt, the women's unbranded casual skirt, $36 is what they estimated. Their cost was $16. Their price was $16. The women's New Direction casual dress, the estimated retail value of this is $71, but they're asking $17. The LuLaRoe shirt, $24. They're asking $17. The New Approach cardigan, $23. The Soft Surroundings long sleeve shirt, which I liked enough. I didn't love. If it fit me well, I would have definitely considered keeping it. They estimated it was $71 original retail. They were asking for $17. The women's Karen Scott casual dress, this jersey shift dress, they estimated was $60 originally. They're asking $17. The women's Jones New York sport casual skirt, they estimated $70 retail. They're asking $19. The 3/4 sleeve blouse, estimated retail was $48. They're asking $19. And the Les Suites casual skirts, they estimated $71 and are asking $19. So if it's for the cost of it, like $10 to have, and they don't do the total, and I'm not going to try to dare do the math in my head. For the total cost of everything, like, it's an amazing deal if you get things that work. And the last couple boxes I've kept multiple things. I was really impressed with it and very happy. This was just kind of a fluff in the wind, unfortunately. I do love the cardigan that I'm keeping, so at least there is that. A lot of the boxes, this is new with tags too. A lot of the boxes have some kind of gimme to them. Stitch Fix, if you keep everything, you save 25%. Fashion does a couple of different tiers. If you keep 3 or 4 items, you save 25%. If you keep all 5, you save 30%. For the ThredUp box, if you keep $75 worth of stuff, they will give you a $10 credit for you to spend next time. I've never gotten to that point. Not because I haven't kept a bunch of stuff, but because it's so affordably priced that I don't hit the $75 mark. So that is certainly not going to happen this time around, but hopefully I will get an awesome box next time. I'm really sad to be sending so much of this back. I even have it all packed up right now. But I am delighted with my cardigan and will likely wear it to work this week, since we are now officially in fall, even though it is 90 degrees in Pennsylvania right now. In any case, thank you for joining me, as always, for my little jaunts here. Be well. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you've tried a ThredUp Goody box, and if you're interested in trying one. Like I said, it's only $10, and if you use my referral link, you'll get a $10 credit to then use on the stuff that you keep. So let me know if you've done that, or if you're interested in doing it. And until next time, be well. Take care.